What's up, everybody? Welcome to Woodpecker Crafts and Builds. My name is Roger. I want to show you this new van that I just finished building. Check it out. Alright, so let's start off with the bed. I'm really excited to talk about this bed. This is the first time that I put a lift kit on it. So the whole bed underneath has storage on the front and on the back. And you just lift the mattress up. There's a little hole that I made. And that's the system there. It holds the bed up and you have some storage underneath. This is I got the lift kit that was meant for a memory foam mattress. I'm gonna put the description link on the description below, and it's all about the measurements, the size that you want so it could work properly. You just measure out, you know, the length of the opening and the height that you want the bed to go up, and then you order according with your mattress. So I ordered with a memory foam one, so it's meant for a lighter bed. And this is great for cat owners as well. As you can see, there's a door open in there where the cat could go in. And so the way you bring it down is you just push it down. And once it gets to a certain spot, it closes. Okay, so as far as the lighting, there is a switch here. It's dimmable lighting. I got the switch there. I put a little extension cord here, as well as the Max Fan remote. So you can just press the button and that opens up the Max Fan. And you get some air circling around. This is the Max Fan Deluxe. So this will cool down the van. Since it doesn't have any windows, it helps a lot to keep the temperature a bit more regulated in here. As you can see, I came down the walls with some cedar, and on both sides and on the back doors. So let's talk about the storage here. This is the first time I made cabinets that go all the way up. Since it didn't have any windows, this was the perfect van to do something like this with, because I didn't have to cover any windows or anything like that. Porta potties on this side. Porta potty brand new. Push buttons on all the doors. This side is the power bank. This is the AC 200 Max, 2048 watt hours, and this is a pretty good system. As you can see, this system here, you could buy the RV adapter, where you put this adapter directly to your fuse box. And then there's another adapter that connects to directly into it from your solar panels. I have two 180 watt solar panels on the roof. And I also have the light dimmer switch coming through here. Everything very simple, easy to maintain. On the top is just a little bit extra storage room there. And on the other one, same thing. Some storage unit there. I got this little extension cord here. I'm gonna put this extension cord right here. And same thing with the push buttons. And now let's talk a little bit about the sink. So the sink, there's a little switch, rocker switch on the side where you turn the sink on here. So that turns it on, and then that goes on. You could use it like this, or you could pull it out to take a shower outside. There's also a shower setting. So regular setting, shower setting, and let me show you. And look at this real quick. This part right here, for you to open a sink or close it, it's like this. That blocks some of the water in, and that drains it in. We're kind of on a slant, so right now it's piling up over there. All right, let's talk about the sink setup. For those that are building their first build, check it out. So this here, there's 2 5-gallons, 2 6-gallon jugs. One pulls the water, one empties out the water. Regular RV drain. And this connector here, you connect the hose like this. And this one comes out from the pump and into the faucet. This is the one that moves up and down and allows you to take a shower outside. And that's the setup there. Let me show you the table here real quick. So this table, you just pull it, and there's a little extension for you to cut your vegetables or things like that. Pretty easy to install as well. I'll put the link of all the stuff that I'm using on the description so you can see it. Okay. So everything is insulated, floor, wall, ceiling. This is a vinyl roll, and I put the stair edging there on the edge. I painted it flat paint so it can match everything else inside. And yeah. Okay, so this is the fridge that we decided to put in here, and it supposedly consumes enough energy to work with a power bank. So yeah, red, great color. Let's go. So ceiling is also insulated, 1/4 inch. I believe this is birch. I believe this is a birch 1/4 inch ply, and cedar all around it. And lights, I think the lights are the warm light, not the white light. This is like yellow, warm yellow, just so it can match the cedar and stuff like that. This little section here, this is just so you can put cups, things like that. You want to throw some cups here, use your laptop. I don't know if the laptop would fit, but you know, charge your phone, put cups here, things like that. Okay, so that's the van tour. This is a quick one. I hope you liked it. I hope you got some few tips for your van. Now subscribe, like, share, whatever.